sample occupying both end line to end line or sideline to sideline. Depende sa trainer nyo or coach. Now, this is 9 by 18 meters. 6 meters backline area. The front line is 3 meters area. And the measurement of the 3 meters area, the line is also up to this. Now the free zone, as I've told you, the sideline for local national must be 3 meters away. The line 3 meters, that is what we call the free zone. So this is less than 3 meters. This is good for training, but not for actual competition. The end line must be 5 meters. Free zone. Wala ang goal. Sa kung may good ang ball, dead ball na. So it should be 5 meters. Then the height of the ceiling must be 15 meters. Then the post must be 1 meter away from the sideline. Okay, this is official. There should be 2.50 meters. Your post must be adjustable. Madali lang paubra na sa mga metal craft. Because if you buy the hydraulic post, hindi ta kasarang, mahal, katama. So, pwede na kita lang maubra, may adjustment. And there must be roller. Mag-roll ang igot para hindi ma-rat-rat o mag-easy diet. Tamahal. Ang amuna ng klase is already 80 pesos per meter. Ang ininahigot. No? Bago lang ko nakabakal para sa net niya. Ginausar sa mountain climbing. Kasi kung cable, mabudlay sa aton magtakot kung cable wire unless may roller. So if you have 16 meters of 80 pesos, that's already 2,800 plus. Posible naman ang coach pa magasto sila. Okay? So when you start your training, be sure that the surroundings are free, safe for the athletes. Now, if it is limited, the movements of the players must be limited. I-control mo tungkol sa lugar. Kung lapad, kag ang flooring okay lang, pwede ka dive. Pero kung amo ni mag-dive ka, mapudpud ang dugan mo. Okay? So for training. Now for training, you can have your own gadget. Like this saucer. This saucer. We have the cone. We have the ladder. We have the hurdles. Mini hurdle. Then ladder, good for agility and movement of the player. Para hindi na lang magbakal ng ladder, pintahan mo na lang ang higad na may ladder. Kamahal man ang ladder, tapos may tape ka pa. Anyway, we have a ladder. I brought a ladder para sa ball cart. Nasa ball cart. So this one for, you can make a lot of exercises from the code. Barato man lang rin, pagpakal mo sa amin yun. 25 pesos man lang po isa. Can use football, basketball, volleyball, ano pa? Oh, this is young kids. The best thing to start training volleyball are young players. 10 under. Pag medyo may edad na, mabudlay na mag-train. Sakto. This is our future. Star player 5 years from now.
Namin sa saya.
complete na ang...
Na-target na sila.
Okay, before one social.
Kaluyan, di lang ka ma-fracture. Wala ka kung sa ano ka. Ibaan ma-fracture lang mga bata ka sa gag. Kaya ara pagkat mo makuha ng tanao.
We'll just have sample of functional exercise. You're stretching, you're moving. So let's start with, when you execute this, and you're trying to stretch, bakit gonna stretch the knee? Because this is the muscle here, common use in volleyball. Pag-spike ka, stretch. So stretching, you prepare the muscles that you are going to use on the actual game. That's why we move up, going down. So going on that day, stretch. Now, the coach must stay here. Kasi malipat ang players, up ito rin kang patumba, maigo ang ulo. So may gabantay sa ko. Again, safety of the player. Okay, start. Stretch up. One, up. Wait. Okay, go, go. Move. Move. Okay, back. Start. Lay, start.
Ang una, stationary.
Oh. Now, while they're performing, I have to check ang coach. Ang tiil dapat on their toes. Not flat on their toes. Okay, start, back. Okay.
Tingin. Tingin sila hindi pwede.
Now you're beginning to stretch going down. So pwede na one, up, two, and one. Hey! Higher.
Ang mga ng player.
Hey!
Balance.
Hey! Right. Sure, nakama, hindi shortcut. This is only sample of stretching. So if you have only 1 hour, yung 1 hour mo na practice stretching pa lang, kulang na. So the best time, practice at least 3 hours per training session. Mainit, your warm-up 30 minutes will do. Outside, mainit 30 minutes. Inside, 1 hour. Actual competition, kung mainit, open court, warm up sa shaded area. Huwag painitan ang players sa warm up pa lang. Pagtapos warm up, kasi mainit na painitan mo pa sa warm up.